Hello students, welcome to Mathist Academy. Today we are going to learn proving irrational. Okay, so prove that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational. Okay, let us assume that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Okay, so the first step is we need to consider this root 2 plus root 3 is an rational number. Okay, rational number means what? It should be in the form of p by q. So root 2 plus root 3 is equals to a by b and considering it is in the form of p by q. Okay, where a comma b are integers, because in a rational number a and b are integers. Okay, next b is not equals to 0. If b is equals to 0, then the answer will be 0. Okay, b is not equals to 0. The next step is root 2 plus root 3 is equals to a by b. Transpose root 3. Transpose root 3 to the right side. The first step that implies root 2 is equals to a by b minus root 3. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If you square on both sides, what it will be? Root 2 whole square a by b minus root 3 whole square. Okay, so in the right side it is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, in the left side, square and root gets cancelled. 2 is equals to a square by b square, because it is a by b considering as a square means square applicable for a and b. A square plus by b square plus root 3 whole square b square minus 2 a by b into root 3. Okay, the next step, 2 is equals to a square by b square. Again, square and root gets cancelled, plus 3 minus 2a by b root 3 we got. Okay, what I'm doing now is this minus 2a by b root 3, this negative term transposing to the left side. Next, these two number digit transposing to the right side. What it will be? 2a by b root 3 is equals to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2. Got it? 3 minus 2, how much? Is equals to a square by b square. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Okay. Now do the LCM. 2a by b root 3 is equals to b square into 1, a square plus b square by b square. Okay, clear? Now here 2a by b is there. I am transposing this only 2a by b term to the right side. Here it is in the multiplicative term. If you transpose this side, it will become reciprocal. Okay. So root 3 is equals to a square plus b square by b square into b will come in the numerator, 2a will come in the denominator. So b by 2a. Okay. Here 1b is there. Here b square means b into b. 1b is gets cancelled. So the next step is what you will get? Root 3 is equals to a square plus b square by, here 1b got cancelled, b into 2 into a, that is 2ab. Okay, so already we discussed a and b are integers. If you substitute a and b values, any integer, if you substitute here, you will get a p by q form. That means a rational number. Therefore, it concludes root 3 is a rational number. Okay. But by our contradiction, by we know that by contradiction, what we know, root 3 is an irrational number because it is a square root number. We cannot be written in the form of p by q. Okay, root 3 is a irrational number. Okay, root 3 is an irrational number. Therefore, root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Understood? That's it.